The HillMiles MileCity1 is a well-rounded 26-inch electric bike tailored for urban commuters seeking reliability, comfort, and extended range in their daily rides. Designed to make city transportation more efficient and enjoyable, this e-bike is powered by a 250W motor delivering 42 Nm of torque, providing enough boost for moderate inclines and consistent performance across a range of urban environments. With a top speed of 25 km/h and 5 riding modes, it adapts easily to your preferred pace and the demands of the road. At the heart of the MileCity1 is a 36V 13Ah removable lithium battery, 468 Wh, which charges fully in just 4 to 5 hours and offers a real-world range of 80 to 100 km per charge in assisted mode. This long-range capability means fewer stops for charging and more flexibility for spontaneous errands or extended commutes. The battery is IP65 waterproof rated and integrated with a secure key-lock mechanism to improve theft resistance and make daily use more convenient. Comfort is another strong point of the MileCity1. Its front suspension fork absorbs bumps and vibrations effectively, ensuring a smoother experience even on uneven streets or light gravel paths. The 26-inch all-terrain tires enhance ride quality and stability, helping riders confidently handle a variety of surfaces without compromising traction or control. Constructed from durable carbon steel, the frame supports a maximum load of 120 kilograms and maintains structural rigidity for dependable daily use. The adjustable seat height makes it accessible to riders between 155 and 185 centimeters tall, accommodating both men and women. For utility, the bike comes with a rear luggage rack for carrying everyday essentials, LED front lighting for nighttime visibility, and an LCD screen that clearly displays speed, battery level, and assist settings. Turning the headlight on or off is easy via the plus button on the display, adding to the convenience. With its combination of practical features, solid build quality, and thoughtful design, the HillMiles MileCity1 stands out as a dependable and efficient urban e-bike. It's ideal for commuters who want an eco-friendly alternative to public transport or cars, with the added confidence of good range, comfort, and control.